I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's Daily Review. Today's Friday, May 19, 2023. So we'll hop right into it here. We got this candle right here. Price came up and then ultimately came down, hit that Tuesday demand, Tuesday high of its candle, and then settled back up. Let's go into a 4-hour. So we had obviously Powell talking today, wasn't a big deal, and looks like they're holding price and trying to keep hope alive. So let's go to 4-hour real quick, and you'll see here that the 4-hour poked up on the previous day right here, slowly came up, got into more of this wick right here, was hovering under this weak gap right here from Sunday the 8th. But we had price imbalance right there. See this big 4-hour right there? You can see it better on the 1-hour. Let's go to 1 hour. Right there, see that? Big price imbalance right there. Price then rejected after coming back up, shaking out the market. Price came down right into that 1-hour block. And there's a little imbalance in there as well. And then bounced up. Let's go to a 15-minute. And you'll see here, we open up, bouncing on top of the opening price of the day, goes up, comes down, takes liquidity right there, bounces right back up to balance price here. Okay, that was selling. And the sell hit an exact gap on the 1 minute with an imbalance again. And then took out that liquidity sitting right there. It's hard to see that. This candle right here, so stupid. Right above this candle that I'm hovering over, right there. So takes out liquidity, shoots down to take out this liquidity, fill this inefficiency in price, come all the way down to the start of this 1-hour candle right here, right? And we got imbalance in there. So let's go to a 5. Not going to really see this on a 5, but let's go to a 1 minute. It's better for me. And you'll see here, my roller is crazy. So price bouncing up. See how this liquidity there. Right here, we got that imbalance right there. We got a break of structure again right there. Retrace right back into it beautifully. All right. And sinks down, taps that liquidity right there. See that? See that price taps it right there? All right, taking out of your trade here. And you're looking for a buy. And in your buy here, you can see this equal low retested. All right. That's a signature that you normally see if it's going to buy. Staying in this range here. All right. Then price shoots up, comes up, comes back. And then final target is coming up to take out that liquidity sitting right there from the original sell and from this original imbalance. And there's a gap right here. See that gap right here? It's beautiful. This level right here closes that gap completely. Taps the top of that right there. Sinks down. Beautiful. Got to be quick though. And you had another opportunity right there when the price poked up into that and broke down. This is your support resistance idea of a break of structure, retracing right back. Look where it's retracing right to. You got the order flow of the supply blocks here and tapping the underneath now the open of the day, which is the high of it, of that purple line. Sinks down. You got another opportunity right there. Another opportunity right there. All the way down here. Where are we going? Remember, we're going to fill up this area, get to a deeper demand if it's going to keep going, right? And then right here, price bounces up. I'm not involved until I see some type of grab of liquidity. There we go. Price comes back down, grabs the liquidity, creates that block right there, comes right back into that block. That's definitely a model we always look for. Sell liquidity, then a price back into a block, and took the buy. Didn't care, left for the rest of the day, didn't trade, didn't care if this even won or not. So you have to understand that kind of mentality and that flow of, you know, I want to be trading up till about 11 or 11:30. So here's, you know, about 11:30 London close, and what do you want to sit all day on a Friday, right? So older people will generally do this. Most younger people will sit and watch the chart all day long, but we control our own business hours, if I should say, right? So when the price comes up, takes this high out, but look, this could be a resistance level as well, right? So you definitely want to take some type of partial here. If you didn't, oh well, but why not take another 100 points? You know, if you can close here, or you took 50 here or whatever, price came back down, never took it out, and then it's stuck here. So holding it overnight is not really serious for this level. I don't really care. So but definitely when that price is up back here, I'm closed out. Don't need, but this was the idea. The idea was to keep going up bullish. And I'm not even saying it's going to keep going bullish, but this is a high probability idea. So you want to look at all these trades that we discussed, and they're all hovered around ideas, right? All right, so let's go to a daily again. And it's we're pretty much right back, you know, again where we started, but on the top side you can see what the levels are. It's going to be today's high and this pool here, which is not really important to me, but you know, you do have this daily imbalance still here, but we should start seeing prices come down. So the next day, which would be Sunday night or Monday, if you are a seller and you are looking at ideas of selling, right, then you would want to see this next candle retrace back up into this daily candle that we had today, which would be, let's just say the 4 hour. Well, we have some ranging to do, possibly right here. And if it does take this out first, oh well, then you might be looking for a retrace back up into here, or at least here, right, for a sell, because there's liquidity above here with this imbalance, and then you would see price kind of come down this way, hunt this low, hunt this low and this low. Delete this. I want to delete all this. And so on. So that's the magic $1 million question to me is do we ever end up here? The time that we're in, I don't see how, but they keep dangling it. You got now liquidity here. So got to be nimble, got to run with the price. Not that you're chasing price, but you're expecting what ideas at certain levels to kind of happen, and you take your shots there. So, all right, you guys have a good weekend. Other than that, you guys take care, and God bless.